My name is James Tsai, and I'm the lead designer on Saints Row 2 at Volition. Saints Row 2 is our open-world gang game, and today we're showing off the ability to customize your player, and we're showing off some early missions and strongholds in the game where the player is fighting some of the rival gangs and using many of the new combat features we've got in the game, such as fine aim, taking human shields, throwing objects in the game such as stop signs, pool cues, using all the new explosive and destructive weapons that we've got, and customizing your crib, customizing the place you stay, all sorts of new features for the player to have fun with. One of the most apparent differences that the player is going to see are the inclusion of several new vehicle types that we have in the game. We have motorcycles, airplanes, boats, jet skis, all kinds of really fun new ways to get around the city. On top of that, our character customization system has been blown out even further. So not only can the player create even more unique looking characters and take advantage of extensive clothes customization, but they can now do things like select their character's walk style, select their taunts, their compliments, and do all those little things that give you a little bit of attitude in the game. And if you want, you can also play as a female character as well. Saints Row 2 will feature a lot of modes of play. In addition to the traditional single-player campaign, you'll also be able to play that campaign entirely in cooperative play as well. So a friend can get online with you and experience all the fun missions, strongholds, activities, pushbacks, and you can fight through everything as a team. On top of that, we will also have a separate competitive multiplayer mode that will incorporate a lot of single-player style elements. So you'll be fighting other gangs in city-like environments, and you'll be seeing elements of missions and activities in the mode of play. There's a lot of technological improvements that we've been able to take advantage of in Saints Row 2 that are from the lessons we learned on Saints Row 1. We've improved our streaming system that allows us to get those really cool new vehicles in so we can build a more expansive city. We've got more detail in the environments, we've got better visual effects. We've been able to create lots more interesting interior areas for the player to fight through. We've seen AI improvements so that the city feels more alive, and characters in the world will all have a purpose. They're not just walking around aimlessly. There's so many different things that go into making the world feel alive for the player, and we're trying to put them all in there. Saints Row 2 will be out in 2008 on the Xbox 360 and the PlayStation 3.